Hello everyone, my name is Atit Sangsan Tawisaks. Today I'm gonna make a screwdriver. Let's see together. Okay, and the recipes: fresh orange juice, vodka, shaker, a glass, spoon, orange slice, and ice cubes. Okay, so now we start making a screwdriver. First, we will put ice cubes in a shaker. Yes. Okay, so now we already put ice cubes in a shaker. Next, we gonna push vodka in a shaker. We use around 2 ounces or 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Then we will put here fresh orange juice, 4 ounces or 6 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because now we already pushed, and then shake well. Okay, and here we have the glass. Now strain the water in a glass. Just water, not the ice cubes. This here is just examples. Now we wanna go to the last. Okay, now we have screwdriver already. Yes, and garnish with orange slice. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna cut. Yes. And now we got screwdriver. It's the best. Okay guys, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.